Welcome to my channel. So here we give you the best of technology to use in building your dream websites, your dream web apps, your dream web application. We unveil the latest technology you need for your development journey. So have you been looking for how to convert numbers to words and programmatically, and you've not been able to see such functions or see such implementation? Anyways, there was a time I was looking for something like this to write out numbers in words, but I struggle. I search everywhere on the internet. I could not find anything, but I was able to see it on. I was able to find something on Visual Basic, VB. So I mean, that was very far from the stack I was using. So I decided to write something with JavaScript that will convert numbers to words for me. So stay tuned. Let me show you around the function. It's a very simple function. What the function does is to convert, is to write out numbers in words for you flawlessly. Can you see? So I'm just gonna lock out this. Let's say 81. So I'm just gonna do console.log. I'm just gonna lock this out, so it's gonna lock. So can you see? The number here is 5681. It's actually giving us the exact thing here. So 5,681 naira. So this function here, this is a function here that takes up a number and also currency. If you would want, like if you wanted to really sound like money, then you can add a currency to it, so that at the end of the day, at the end of the reading, it will sound more like a currency. So and this currency can be anything. It can be dollars. Of course, it's gonna change that dollars right here. And as we can see, it can be pounds, and of course anything. Just suffix anything there, any of your currency there, and it will work well for you. So we can say something like 500. So let's see, 500 pounds. Let's see what that is going to give us. So that gives us 500 pounds. So we can basically do anything with it. We can just say let's say 2,4,500. So 2,450. Okay. So 2,450 pounds, and all of that. So it's just basically, you can even remove this, you can even remove the suffix, the currency, and it will still work perfectly. Okay, so without currency, and it's still working. 2,450. So the function is so you can use this function. Where can you use this function? Let's say you are generating a receipt, and of course, every receipt, after writing the actual amount in VCure, you'll be asked to, you might need to convert it to words, to really portray that this is exactly what you are saying, that there's no mistake. So if the money was 1250, that is 1,250. So you might need to convert it to words and write. So we are building web application, web apps, so we might be needing something utility function like this that does this effortlessly. So imagine you are to do this in the midst of a program. You're writing a program. Imagine you need to come and construct this logic, construct the entire logic. I'll be doing all of this, plenty thing. That is this is gonna be too much. So this function took me some time to come up. It was not really easy, but I've been using it for years now. For about 2 years or so. Yeah, 2 years. And when I made it, this is 20 this is 2 years from the time I made this function. So and it has been working. So this function can read as long as maybe is it 18 or 16 digits long, as long as possible. So we have million, billion, quadrillion, quintillion, sextillion, septillion, octillion, nontillion, decillion, all manner. So you can imagine. So even if that number is very long, it's going to read it out for you. Okay, so you can try this function, try it out, just walk around with it, just use it. You can feel free to add anything you want to add, and use another utility function I would want to also give you with this function is also utilizing is commarize. Commarize is a very nice function. I have a lot of utility functions, so I'm just gonna comment out this function and comment commarize. Now commarize will go through your numbers and format them so that you can be able to read. Okay, so look at this. We're passing this and look at what we got. So what is giving us 1,200 and it's giving us 128,694. So we've been able to read this. Okay, so even if we go around to shorten it, it's going to give us something like so let's see what it's going to give us. It's going to give us 1,694. Okay, so even if it's very long, it's going to still go ahead and shorten us and make it readable for us. So I don't know, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is very long. I can't read this. It's very long. So maybe that should be in billion. Yeah, it's supposed to be in billion. So this makes it readable. So you can use this utility function for your programs. Let's say as a customer is typing in the amount, so you are automatically formatting it in the input field box. So this function can come in handy in most use cases, and all of that. So it is right here, commarize. It is right here and all of that. So feel free to hook into the function and use this link. I'm going to provide a link to this code bin in my description. So feel free to like and share this video to others so that they can also find solution to these things. So I'm going to be sharing I'm going to always be sharing utility functions like this with us. So I have a tons of utility functions that can help you, that is going to help you. So feel free, if you've not subscribed yet, make sure you smash the subscription button so that you can keep getting hints and videos like this from this channel. So in this channel, we give you the best technology, we give you the best hints, we give you everything that will make you to build your dream website and dream app. Okay, see you